Today we want to grade our students using Power Query, and we'll be doing this using appending. So we need a table with threshold for each exam grade, and we need the list of marks, points, number of points on the exam for each student, and we need to import those tables to Power Query. So let's start with grades, one column cell here, and then data tab from table to range, and we can just close and load to, and we want to choose only create connection. Okay, one table is in Power Query. Now the second table, and when we have the second table, we can append those column tables together. So on Home tab we have append queries. We don't need new query, so we just click append queries here, and yes, only two tables and T grades, and press OK, and we have our first rows that are from our first table with students, and we have our rows from the second table with marks, and we can now sort our column number of points from A to Z, and number of points from the table of marks will be the first one, because in the first column we have null values, and thanks to that the exam grade is in the top row, so we can just put our data down, copy our data down. So on the transform tab we just choose fill down, so the grade will be copied to each null row underneath. Yes, okay, fill down, and we have all marked grades for each student. We can just unfilter null values, so we have our grades for each student, and we can just go home, close and load to. And to load our grades, our results into Excel, and we can clearly find that Jennifer 13 points F, yes, Robert 34 point F, and Olivia 40 points. So we have a rich threshold, and on this rich threshold in SE, and thanks to that we are using Power Query, we can quickly change grades for some numeric values, other text, so on. Just change the values in the table, Ctrl S to save the file, and refresh our table, and we have different values based on our new values in the grade table.